So taking a moment to find some place quiet where you won't get disturbed. And just gently stretching out your body and releasing any tension. Now might be a nice time to do a really big shoulder roll. Allowing your arms to relax and your hands to rest here in your lap. Just softly closing down your eyes. Just giving yourself permission to rest a while here. Just noticing any thoughts coming into your mind. Taking a moment to consider these emotions or thoughts humming in your body. When anxiety or tension turns up in our bodies, we often resist, fight, or avoid them. Acceptance of these emotions is our way to find peace and more joy in our life. Each emotion, sensation of panic or fear can be relieved by loving, softening to it, and letting it go. When we notice and recognize stress and fear, we realize that fear doesn't serve our life, that we need to realign ourselves with all that brings us love and purpose. Taking a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly, exhaling slowly. Allowing all the muscles in your face to relax. Again, taking another deep breath in, holding for a moment. Exhaling, letting all your muscles relax in your body. Just observing your breath as it goes in and out. Now shifting your focus from the breath to the top of your head. Imagining a beautiful warm light here at your scalp, guiding down your forehead, your face, softening the ears. Bring awareness to the nose, the lips, the jaw relaxing. Extending relaxed awareness down the back of your neck, into your shoulders, allowing the warm light to melt away any tension here. Letting the arms relax, the warm light moving towards your forearms, your wrists, and your fingertips. Just feeling the softness of this area. Letting go. Letting go. Now sensing into the heart, filling up with the warm energy. Don't be afraid to feel what is here. When you arrive here in your chest, a loyal reminder that life, your beautiful life, is in your hands and that you can face it with courage. Bringing your awareness now towards your tummy. Feeling whatever is here. Taking this warm, bright light into your back, your upper back, and then your lower back. Letting go, letting go. Feeling into the hips, the pelvis, and the glutes. Notice what it feels like to soften this area with this warm light. Extending your focus, traveling the warm light down the back of your legs, your knees, your shins and calves, in towards your feet, your toes, bathing your entire body in this warm light, sinking into the feeling of relaxed awareness. Fear does not have to be so dark. One of the gifts that comes from a deepened awareness is the ability to question our fears and come to more peace and wholeness. Being able to de-escalate our fears, instead sit in wonder and gratitude, and realize with balanced effort, stress and fear begins to soften. As we come to the end of the meditation, just bringing your awareness now back into the room, feeling your body is strong, your heart is soft, there's a gentle smile on your lips, and when you're ready, opening your eyes.